A dark room, the glow of a computer screen, and a sudden email notification. I never expected to get an email at midnight that would change my perspective on online businesses. It was from my website broker. And the subject? The seller has accepted your offer. So began my online business journey. If you're ready to start your own journey, then you'll want to see the top 4 website brokers where you can buy an online business already profiting every month. So tap that like button and let's get into it. And by the way, thank you for hitting the like button. It means a lot and I really do appreciate it. Your top 4 website brokers where you can buy your profitable online business are coming right up, fresh out the oven. But wouldn't you like to know about a broker where you won't get charged a fee that has special deals up for sale that you've never heard of? I've put that broker at the end of the video, so stick around. Starting off with Empire Flippers. They're like the cream of the crop in the online business universe. They cater to all sorts of business types, be it e-commerce, drop shipping, or content sites with advertising or affiliate revenue. Ever seen a business listed at 30x of its monthly profit? That's some tempting ROI. And their transparency is a breath of fresh air because the listings lay out monthly profits, selling price, and how much time you'll need to run the business. And just think about it. A website pulling in $3,000 a month, that's $36,000 annually. If you do the proper due diligence and even grow the business, it could pay for itself in no time. And EF is not just any platform. They are featured on the Inc. 5000 list. That's credibility and growth right there. And their vetting, it's top notch. Only about 5% of businesses that knock on their door get listed. But of course, every journey has its hurdles. Like say you have a technical glitch that leads to a migration hiccup. I've heard of that happening. But one call to Empire Flippers, the problem can be sorted out in a day. By the way, if you've been following our videos, you know we've recommended Empire Flippers before. We'll get back to your next website broker, but I want to ask you, have you looked at any of these brokers? What are you looking for in a broker? Let me know in the comments below. On to FE International, the elder sibling of the online market space, with a touch of sophistication. They're big fans of e-com, especially those sweet subscription models. Fanciest subscription box full of organic teas, anyone? Many businesses on FE also have high ROIs. Cha-ching! I just scrolled through FE's completed deals on their website, and it's actually really cool how they do it. It's like a PR news stories of businesses that they've sold. Now, they might play a little coy about time commitments, but come on, which business doesn't need a bit of tender loving care? I've also heard their CEO, Thomas, is super approachable. Maybe don't serenade him, but give him a tweet. Now, there is a buyer's fee. It's a bit extra, but often worth it. It's 2.5% of the sale price of $1,000. So just be aware of that. And a heads up, if you're emailing them, brew some tea and be patient. Quality takes time. Attention online business owners. If you're looking to sell your online business and want to ensure it lands in the right hands, we are here to help. Email us at info@buyingonlinebusinesses.com. We have thousands of cashed up and trained investors who could buy your site. And if you're intrigued by any of the top website brokers we've talked about today and would like a personal introduction, just drop us an email. We're more than happy to provide a warm intro and help you start your journey on the right foot. For your next big sale, email info@buyingonlinebusinesses.com. Next up, Quiet Light Brokerage. The name is subtle, but they play a strong game. They're a haven for buying and selling online businesses. And no, they're not a fancy spa. Founded by Mark Dowse, they've been in the scene since 2008, which is like a million years in the online space. They shine especially in e-commerce, and those price tags, premium, like shopping at a luxury mall. Now, Quiet Light specializes in larger online businesses. I actually have partnered with Quiet Light on some deals, and I can personally say they know what they're doing and they're experts because they've just done it a massive number of deals. If you're considering buying with them, imagine having a concierge service guiding you every step of the way. And their fees? Competitive. But remember, it's all about that high quality service. The largest commission is 10% for sales of $1 million or less. It goes down to 9% for sales between $1 million and $2 million, 8% for sales between $2 million and $3 million, etc. To sum them up, they're the luxury sedan of online business brokers. And how can we forget Flippa, the bustling bazaar of online businesses? The range here is wild, from cat meme blogs to e-commerce giants. They've got this community vibe with sellers getting ratings and businesses getting reviews. It's kind of like Airbnb and Uber, which is pretty cool. And for those on a budget, they've got you covered. I love the filters on Flippa. They're super handy. You can streamline your search right down to specific business types. When considering a website, always do your homework. Check the traffic, the finances, and make sure everything checks out. And remember, on Flippa and on some of the other brokerages, the listed price is a starting point. So there's room for a little haggle. But do your due diligence, arrive at your own valuation, and make your case to the seller. On Flippa, when it's time to finalize, you're using escrow, which keeps things clean and ensures everyone's happy. And here's a tip: get the seller to train you post-sale. It's a great way to understand the business and spot growth opportunities. Also, on Flippa, you can engage with the Flippa community, which could be a treasure trove of insights and strategies for you. And now for the bonus website broker. Drum roll, please. Bob. That's Buying Online Businesses. Our brokerage at Bob has 0 fees for you. And if you're in our Bob community, you will get help with due diligence, which is the critical factor in buying a profitable online business. If you want access to fresh, never before seen deals every month, then you'll love Bob. If you haven't already downloaded our Due Diligence Framework, then do that, because that's your next step for seeing those deals, so that you can buy an online business that is already profiting every month. Hey YouTube watcher, what's up? It's William Griffin, and if you have watched this video up until now, please smash that like button. I'm glad you're liking the video. Also, thank you so much for watching, and I hope your day is going marvelously. I also want to ask you, please consider subscribing, because my commitment and exploration on YouTube is about to blow up. Stories, polls, more amazing content, and more engagement, more surprise and delight. This is the time to subscribe. I hope you consider it, and I hope I see you on the next video.